Hey, what is up, everybody? Today, I had to stop what I was doing. One of our viewers asked, this one is from Ahmed Mohsen, and he says, here it is. I love the way you set up your streams. Do you have any tips? And what software do you use for editing? I love software. And of course, he says he's getting into Twitch. Oh, yeah, my friends are using Twitch. I know someone who's making $500 a day at Twitch, just gaming. And so now you're trying to upload consistently on YouTube. Yes. So I will make a video for you right now. I wish I could game. I don't know how to game. Probably a good thing because then I'm an obsessive personality type. So, first, let me share with you the first tip. You need a good setup. So, let me take a picture of my devices and maybe you could try to put something together. Okay, here we go. Tip number one, you need uh, your almond for. So the story behind this is I don't eat because I get stuck working. I'm constantly working. Like I actually fast from 6 p.m. all the way to 1 p.m. 6 p.m. to 1 p.m. I don't eat. But recently my stomach has been hurting a lot. And so my wife wants me to eat. She's scared I might get ulcer. So she bought this for me. She put it here and she wants me to eat during my breaks. Okay. So you need almonds. Tip number one. Almonds are good for you because if you eat 24 almonds, you'll get full. The next thing you need is, of course, a Post-it. I'm not joking. I have a Post-it right here because I need to have my priorities. So here's the thing, as a gamer, if you are going to be going online, you have your full-time job. I see that you have a full-time job. I see it. You're an enterprise automator. You're automating enterprise workflows at your company. You need to prioritize your day. And number one priority, finish all your job. Like finish all the tasks that you need to do from your 9 to 5 job. The beauty of remote is it's not really 9 to 5 anymore, right? If you could finish 9 to 5 was a concept made by the corporate, and that's now dead because the pandemic has shifted the way we work. We can now finish our job in a shorter period of time. We're a lot more effective. So you can Twitch and you can have a full-time job. Yes. And you can eat and listen to music and watch Netflix. If I had a TV here, I'd have Netflix as background noise. You can do all of that and have your puppies with you here. That's what the pandemic has done. It's opened up a new way to work. And the modern way to work is if you want to game, go for it, but make sure you have a priority list. And that means you need to finish your number one things at work, all of your responsibilities. And once that is done, then you can go ahead and work on your passions, your side passions, right? Or your front passions. Doesn't have to be a side passion. It could be a front and center passion. My passion is providing value like this. So here's my setup. I'm making this for you. I'm going to record you. Okay. So the first setup is you need a Logi or Logi HD 1080p. I think that is the number one important thing. I have two of them. There you go. One was provided by Localize, and the other one I've always had. Okay. So backing it up, you need to use Zoom. I do use Zoom for my streams, and I'll share the software in a bit. And then you need some kind of lighting. And I'll put in the description box what this is. You could get it for like $10. maybe $20. So just turn on your Amazon deals notification. My mic was recommended by my best friend, and this one is called, let's see, this one is called, what is that? Blue? It's probably not correct. I'll find out and I'll put it in the description. You need a hand. So this arm hand, an extra hand. I'm not going to be holding my own mic. So my setup is simple. It's just, I have this hand that's connected to my desk, and I have a fan here because it's hot in Las Vegas. Behind, on the right side of me, I have another light. That light is used because I want the blue light behind me to separate from, I'm going to maximize you. There you go. I want the blue light behind me to separate from my face. I don't know if that's the right way to say it. I just saw someone on YouTube talking about separation of light. If I turn it off, I'm going to look blue. Watch. Okay, I'm going to turn this off and I might look blue. I'm pretty sure I'm going to look blue. Here we go. Off. I look okay. But what's better? Is this better? Or is this better? Let's try again. Is this better? Or this better? The light, right? So it's all about the light. Okay. So this is, I use this for second monitor. This is my first monitor. As you can see, that's my calendar. And this, it's important that you see it because it's the first thing I look at every morning, my calendar. Why is that important? Because you need to prioritize work before you can blend and integrate it with your side passion projects. And so my Post-it is right here, and I always make sure I need to get those done before I go into this. So work first, Twitch later. Work first, stream later. On top of that, I have another lighting here. And this one, I don't know. My friend just told me to get it. So I have it up there. You have to play around with the lights, right? So if I turn this off, look at how I look now. Okay. I guess it looks fine. Does it look fine? You guys be the judge. Maybe it looks better just with one light. And right now I only have one light. See? Okay. But if I turn this on, let's see if it looks good. It looks. See, I'm not a camera person, but you tell me, does it look better? Light off? Light off looks nice, huh? I should start recording like this. I didn't even know. Okay, now I'm gonna turn this on. This is my work light. There you go. So play around with the lighting. And then the gear, I do recommend getting, so this is where the fun part happens, Mac Mini. And here's why. A Mac Mini is only $6.99. Look, check this out. Boom. $6.99. And then I always get a Mac Mini. Their storage is not enough. And so to have good storage, I'm not going to pay an additional, $1,000 to have better storage. And so what I'll do is I will buy a hard disk. There you go. So this is a hard disk. I think I bought this for $99. Let me see. There it is. Okay. And then above my Mac Mini, I have what is a extension. It's like a hub because I actually have two types hardware, extreme SSD. And then I have another one here. And then I have one, I separate my IP for work as well, right? So I have my passion stuff, extreme SSD. I have my personal stuff, and then I have my localized work stuff. And so they're all separated. And so if I lift this, this is my notes. Yes, I train myself daily on, that is from a book called, can you guess what book this is from? Can you guess what book this is from? If you can guess, I will give you a closed one shirt. I'm not even going to say, like a shirt that says closed one, okay? And I'll mail it to you. So go ahead and guess. And then let me let me flip this. And underneath here, there's another hard storage. I'm messing up how you're supposed to say it. I think it's called a hard disk. It's for storage. And then this is my Mac. So here's the thing. I don't want to get stuck on my desk all day. So this is my desk essentially. There it is. There's my setup. And another important thing. So out of all of this, the most important gear you need to get is, boom, a foot massager. You can't be working, just work, no pleasure. Need to work and have pleasure. Work, pleasure. Work, pleasure. And then music, of course. So that's it. That's my gear. That is my setup. I hope you enjoy. I will move into the software tomorrow with another video. I hope you like that. Enjoy. Oh, by the way, if you want to learn more about sales and how to apply sales in life, get more salary, how to get a job in your interviews, how to overcome any objections from a girl that you like that you want to pick up, use this right there. And then don't forget to subscribe. Peace.